All right, Aaron, so what are you doing today?
Doesn't go like that.
Answer me. What's up, my traveling Pisces peeps? Today, we are fixing our generator. So we got this old man on the ground and doing the work.
Alright guys, so today we're going to do an oil change on the Cummins Onan RV QG 4000. It's really simple, right? So the first thing you want to do is make sure you access your panel. You can go ahead and take your cover off. There. And what we want to do is we want to go ahead and start the generator and let it run for a couple minutes just to kind of warm that oil up. So we're going to go ahead and hit the button to prime it. And then we're going to start it. All right, so that should be pretty good. We let it run for about 2 minutes or so, kind of warm that oil up. So the tools you're gonna need a drip pan. We're gonna use a universal socket wrench, a screwdriver with a star adapter piece on there, and a funnel, which is right behind Dimitri there. I'm gonna grab me that funnel, please. So what we wanna do, on my piece.
All right, guys, so what you want to do is this.
Is this little cover piece right here. Just want to loosen this up, and you can just do it on one side. We'll just loosen up the back one just a little bit. There we go. And just want to kind of turn this cover plate to the side so we can get access to the drip pan. And then here is where we're going to use our universal socket. We're going to put that up in here. And put it. So what you do want to remember is that there is a screw here, so be careful when you're unscrewing this because you don't want to lose it when your oil starts to come out. And she's about to come out. There she goes. So we're going to get about 1.25 quarts probably out of here of this nasty dark oil. As you can see, we're overdue. Canon says to recommend to change your oil every 100 hours. We're a little behind this time. Typically the oil wouldn't get this dark. We're gonna let all of that drain out. All right, and then on this particular unit, it does not have an oil filter, but it does have an air filter. We're not going to change the air filter now, but there's no need to change the oil filter because there is no oil filter on this unit. That was a nice Febreze that came through. The other tip I would say is make sure you're level, so that way all of the oil is actually going to flow down into the center of the pan and not be tilted from being unlevel.
So how easy do you think it is to change your oil?
It's very easy.
It's very easy?
Yeah. All right, so pretty much all of the oil is dripped out. It's just this last couple drips. Kind of wipe that up a little bit there. We're gonna go ahead and screw this screw back in. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. If I can even get it to start to thread. Switch this back. All right. We had this problem before, remember?
Mm-hmm.
All right, there you go. All right, so you want to make sure that's nice and tight, so that way no oil will leak out. Let's go ahead and clean that all up, wipe it all down. Now we're not going to put this cover back on because we want to make sure we check for leaks. So let's come back around. What Dimitri's going to do for us now is he's going to hold this up. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on.
It was cool down there.
I know. All right, so the oil is going to go right back up inside here. Get another towel, wipe this all down too.
Point to it to show the viewers.
So your oil is going to go here.
Back in action.
All right, so like I said, just want to get some paper towel, just kind of wipe this all up. There's extra oil that kind of spilled in there. All right, we're gonna take our
Handy dandy funnel.
and we're gonna get Jeanette to pass us some more paper towels.
Hopefully she won't yell at us.
And then we're gonna use 1.5 quarts. All right, so that's about a 1/2 quart already. So we're gonna come down and check for leaks. Doesn't look like anything yet. Gonna continue to slowly fill this back up. And check with the dipstick again. Yep, it's on there. All right, so we should be good on that. And go ahead and close that up. All right. And then the last thing we want to do is we want to go ahead and check for leaks again. What we're gonna do, gonna get down here. And we're gonna start her up again. We're gonna prime. All right, so no leaks. So we're good to go there. Come back over here. And we're gonna move our pan out the way just in case our screw slips.
Because you're never going to get it back.
And we're gonna go ahead and tighten this cover plate back. Tighten this one back down. There you go. All right, and there you have it. Oil change on your Onan 4000 generator. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you hit that subscribe button because we plan on doing a whole bunch of more how-to and do-it-yourself videos. Ciao for now. All right, so the other thing I like to do is add some seafoam to the tank. And what this actually does, it prevents your engines from gumming up. So right, when you get all your carburetors and everything, you get a whole bunch of gumming and stuff like that. Use this, that'll clean that all right up. So this will actually just pours right into your gas tank. There you go. Seafoam for the win.